How to log in into your Paycor account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Paycor account login. It will lead you to this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site, Paycor. You will be landing on the official page of Paycor. In this page, what you want to do is simply enter the username associated with your account, and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your username or the password, then you can click on Forgot your username or password. Once you click on it, follow the on-screen process, and then you will be able to recover your login credentials. Once you have recovered, enter it here, and then click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be successfully logged into your Paycor account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Paycor account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.